How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import Filament in Elegoo Slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to just open up the application right here. It doesn't really matter whether you're on the home screen or on a project. You simply want to click on the file button at the corner of your screen, which is going to be this one. And basically from here, you then want to navigate through the import section. Simply click on the import configs, and then you will be able to look or find the filament settings or file for the Elegoo Slicer right here. So the supported files are going to be JSON, zip, Elegoo printer, or Elegoo filament, as you can see right here. So just simply look for your file, click open, and there you have it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.